I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to stop Google from asking you to save passwords on your Android device. Step 1. Tap to open the Settings app on your Android device, and then tap Passwords, Passkeys, and Accounts in this menu. Step 2. Tap Google. The Autofill with Google screen opens. Step 3. Tap Google Password Manager in this menu. Step 4. Tap Settings on the next screen. The next screen shows you Google Password Manager settings options. Step 5. Tap to toggle off Offer to Save Passwords in this menu. Google will no longer ask you to save passwords on your Android device going forward. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video, or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.